Bitch, I'm blessed, I choose. I'ma do what I choose. Look at me now, look at you. I like on my face is blue. I could never play the fool.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name is Derrick. Here we go over cars, typically my car, which is a 2018 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. We do gaming and overall just giving you motivation to go after what you want to in life. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. And thank you for taking the time out to check out my channel. Today is a special day. It's actually 2 years with my Scat Pack or my Charger. So I'm just gonna do a little walk around, probably like tell you some things I like about the car, why I got the car, and things like that. I appreciate all y'all. I love all y'all. Let's get into the video. I'll do a little cold start for you guys today. A cold start for you guys today, my fault. It is currently 5:56 a.m. I'm about to head on my way to work. It is, we can get a good cold start for you. Garage opening. There are people outside, but we'll stand back here. We'll do the cold start for you. You ready? I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. Just got off work, about to head home. Looks like I got a 45-minute drive back to the house, and it's literally only 20 miles, bro. I'll never understand why there's so much traffic, especially out here in Arizona. I don't get it. But yeah, once I get to the house, grab something to eat, change, and then we're gonna go do a walk around of the car and just have a little discussion. Hopefully you guys like it. Stay tuned. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way you know every time I post. And I appreciate all y'all and I appreciate the support this far. It's only up from here. All right, I'll catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and just gonna go for a little cruise. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Not gonna play no music. I'll probably record while I'm driving. You guys get some clips. I think you guys would like that, so I'm not gonna argue with it. All right, here's a little startup real quick. You don't gotta see it, you just hear it. All right, shh. Oh, doors open. I'm hella goofy, bro. All right, bet. Here we go. In the garage. I won't play any music. We'll just drive. We'll get there, pull up. Whoa, chill, bro. They say don't vlog and drive, but really don't have a better option. Pull out. This thing right here. As you can see, garage closes. Something cool like that. Close, cool. Turn this around. Probably hold this like this. While I'm driving. My brakes do squeak right now, so I don't want to hear nobody in the comments talking shit. performance pages on just so we can act like we're doing somewhat cool stuff. Throw it in sport too. Why not?
Next to each other when it's time to drive. Everybody wants to drive right next to each other. No one wants to go faster than the next person. Y'all some chickens, bro. Goddamn chickens. Look at all these chickens. Alright, so we're still gonna drive right next to each other. Jesus Christ, dude. Bruh, people are so funny. Hey, she knew I was gonna drive past her, bruh, so then she sped up. Arizona drivers, man. If any of my people watching this are from Arizona, please just understand how crappy up the drivers are that live out here. I'm gonna be dead serious with you. They are not the best drivers, bro. Hopefully it sounds good. So we're going to a spot where there's not too many people, there's not too many cars. I just pull up, do a walk around of the car, tell you what's done, tell you why I like it. You know, my feelings after 2 years, pretty much, you know what I mean? I forgot it's like 5:45. It's when everybody and their mom want to be out. It's all good though, it's all good. We gonna go do our thing. I'm not worried about nobody else. Alright, bro, was looking like, ooh, what's that? Oh, you know what it is? Alright, bro, I'm about to get copyrighted. Turn your music up. I don't want to hear that. Like, can you get a ticket for vlogging kind of like you would get a ticket for being on your cell phone, you know what I mean? I don't know. We're gonna find out. No, I'm just playing. We're not gonna find out, not today. We're gonna mind our business. We ain't gonna act stupid. We're gonna get to this lot, do this video, and then get back to the house and chill. Man, Nike be trying to make me spend money. I ain't got time to spend no money, boy. And no time to spend no money. Bro, I wish I could prop this. Wish I could prop this camera up somewhere, but that ain't happening. Man, turn your music down, bro. I think this camera wants to smoke. Say, man, you cannot outshift an automatic. It's just the truth. You cannot outshift an automatic. Hey, you want to get behind me because you want to see what I got. It's typical car guy move. core. Nah, typical car guy move is just ready to line up and ready to go. That's what typical car guy move is. Come on, man. Pops right now. Some real good pops. Let me know if you can hear it better on this side. I don't know. Oh, you heard my brakes. So I don't want to hear nobody in the comments. These Brembros are known for squeakage. And I changed my brakes already. And now I'm assuming it's time for the rotors. Oh, I was supposed to turn left right there. Stop right here. Damn, bro, you can't even see me. That's a dark angle over there. All right, we're just gonna bust a UE. So loud up for us. So I hope y'all out there having a great day, you feel me? This video is, like I said, mainly like a 2-year review of my feelings, my thoughts on the car. Just so people out there can understand, you know, is it worth it? Will you be happy? Is it enough power? Should you get a Hellcat? Should you get a Scat Pack? I'm gonna answer some of those questions today. Got right behind another Charger. I think it's a Daytona. So there shouldn't be any cars back in this area that I'm about to go. Just because I was trying to find a good spot for me to like talk about my car without people being like in my face. I think it was back over here. I'm tripping if it wasn't. I mean, there's people back here. There's not a lot though. I mean, I could do it back here. See, I was thinking that part. Maybe it's back on this side. Yeah, it's back over here. Damn, these brakes, bruh. Jeez. Little jump. Yeah, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'll leave the car on. We'll get out, roll the windows up so you can get a full look. I like to turn the wheel a little bit. Take the keys out in case anybody trying to run up on me, you know what I mean? I mean, this is a cool spot. People don't really be looking over here, I don't think. All right, so my thoughts on the car after 2 years. I like it. It's not a bad car. It's not a bad car. I like it. I enjoy it a lot. I mean, it looks good. People say they love this silver, and they say they should have picked it up instead of whatever they got. I mean, I'm a black person. Literally, I'm a black person, and I like black cars. My 2 years have been absolutely amazing with the car. I have no complaints. What happened bad since I had this car? There's only been one thing that happened when I got the car, and that was the fog light actually was flickering when I first bought it. Well, not when I first bought it. I think after the first year it started flickering. Took it to the dealership. They changed it. Obviously, it's still under warranty, so I have no complaints there. But yeah, I love the car. I recommend it to anyone. Now this or a Hellcat, that depends on how deep your pockets are, to be 100% honest with you. If they deep, go ahead and get a Hellcat. If they ain't too deep, it's the best car for under 50,000 for the power that you get. I'm gonna sit this down real quick, give you all some exhaust notes. Tilt this up real quick, right there. Go ahead and put this up. Hopefully that sounded good. What are the odds that you see this over here? It tells you how nasty people are in Arizona. That ain't mine. Just saying you know. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like the way the car looks. How do you feel about it? Yeah, but overall it's a great car. I'd recommend it. This is a 2018. The only things that I've done to it, I did a resonator and a muffler delete. I added 285s in the front, 305s in the back, and these rims are from MRR. MRR? Yeah, MRR. I love them. They ship quick. I had other tires on here before. The tires that I had before lasted a year, literally. But in that first year, like I was saying, I was doing a lot of driving. There were Goodyear's summer tire, very sticky tire, but the tread wear just wasn't good. I went with these because they're all seasons and they're a little bit cheaper. BF Goodrich Comp 2s, I think. BF Goodrich got Comp 2s. Yeah, they're fine to me. They do good, they stick. I have no issues. But yeah, I definitely recommend the car. If you want a Scat Pack, here's a review, honest review from someone that went from a 2008 Dodge Charger to a 2018 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Flawless, amazing, I love the car. I say get one. That's all I got for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop me in the comments. But yeah, this is the car. Let me come around to the front so y'all can really see what I'm talking about. This is the car. Me and the Scat. Yeah, but that's all I got. Thanks for tuning into the video. I appreciate your time. If you guys like this content, let me know and I'll bring you more of this content. I'm still getting used to like being outside, whoops, my bad, outside with the car, with people obviously being able to come around me and look at me and weirdly, because I feel like out here people just stare at you more than they would in California. But I would get this car, honestly. If you have any questions, like I said, drop me in the comments, DM me on Instagram. Like I said, people staring right now, bro, like while I'm doing this, driving hecka slow, looking at me, being weird. That's all I got. 2-year review, it's been great, I have no issues. I'm not gonna sell the car, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm already gonna keep it, give it to my son when I have one, keep it in the family. Yeah. Scat Pack. The silver does look good. The black hood too, it does look good. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, hit the notification bell, that way you know every time I post. I appreciate all your time. That's all I got. Remember, they're gonna judge you anyway, so why not do what you want?
Bitch, I'm blessed, I too. I'ma do what I choose. Look at me now, look at you. I like on my face is blue. I could never play the fool. All I do is play it cool. I'm a young boy, never played by the rules. She a ride to the tool, so I bought that through. I scroll, took a look at my jewels. Then she sucked me like a jewel. Got the gas, got the